integumentary system consists of the largest organ in the body, the skin. It helps in water balance and the regulation of body temperature. It is the first line of defense against bacteria, viruses, and microbes. As you've seen in the past video, I was acting as the integumentary system, keeping out foreign material. The cardiovascular system consists of the heart, the circulatory system, and the lymphatic system. It is involved in transporting nutrients throughout the body and removing gaseous waste. As you've seen in the previous video, I was acting as the cardiovascular system, transporting nutrients to different tissues in the body, oxygen, and removing carbon dioxide.
Hello, my name is Natalie Dean, and I'll be talking about the urinary and the nervous system. The urinary system has three major functions: excretion, elimination, and homeostatic regulation. Urinary system consists of the kidneys, the bladder, the ureters, and also the urethra. The kidneys create urine by filtering urea, water, and other waste using small units called nephrons. Once urine is created, it then passes through the ureters. Ureters are about 8 to 10 inches long. Every 10 to 15 seconds, it releases urine into the bladder. The bladder can hold 16 ounces for 2 to 5 hours comfortably. Holding urine inside of the bladder for too long, too often, results in the urethra, which is a sphincter, beginning to lose its strength and the ability to retain urine. Next is the nervous system. The nervous system is divided into the central and the peripheral nervous systems. Functionally, it has two main subdivisions, autonomic and somatic. The central nervous system is the integration and command center of the body. It consists of the brain, spinal cord, and the retina. The peripheral nervous system consists of sensory neurons, ganglia, and nerves that connect the central nervous system to arms, hands, legs, and feet. The autonomic nervous system consists of nerves that connect the central nervous system to the intestines, heart, stomach, lungs, and bladder. Seeing someone wave at you and being able to wave back is an example of the somatic nervous system, which is responsible for voluntary motions like moving your arms and legs. The nervous system has three major functions: sensory, integration, and motor. Sensory includes the five senses: sight, smell, touch, sound, and taste. While your senses will detect that your hand is under heat, integration is what tells your brain to move it. Your brain will then tell your muscles that you need to move your hand into something cooler so that you don't harm yourself.
The digestive system is the mechanical and chemical breakdown of food into small molecules. The digestive system starts with the mouth and ends with the rectum. The digestive system has a long tube known as the GI tract, consisting of many organs such as the pharynx, the esophagus, the small intestine, which is broken down into three different sections: the duodenum, the ileum, and the duodenum. The large intestine is also one, the liver, and the gallbladder. The lymphatic system produces lymph nodes, and lymph nodes produce lymphocytes along with white blood cells and is transported to the bone. The lymphatic system also absorbs the interstitial fluid from the tissues and is transported also to the blood. The lymphatic system also works with the cardiovascular system along with the endocrine system in providing access routes to the heart.
Hello, my name is Mark. I'm here to talk to you about anatomy and physiology. Today I will be informing you about two major organ systems of the human body. The first will be the respiratory, and the second will be the skeletal system. The respiratory system takes oxygen and expels carbon dioxide as we breathe. During the respiratory process, red blood cells carry oxygen absorbed from the lungs and carry it throughout the body. As you can see here, a diagram of the respiratory system. Next will be the skeletal system. It consists of 260 bones and a network of tendons. Here's a diagram of the skeletal system. It also performs vital functions such as support, movement, protection, and calcium storage. Well, that about sums up the information I have for you today.